the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How would you feel about packing up today? Leave this all behind, go get snowed in somewhere, you and me. I would rather be somewhere with you, without TV or phone. Is it wrong for me?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Homebody. I am Lisa, your host for today's video, and I want to officially welcome you to Glamland, and you are currently in Majestic Lane. For the 2022 Christmas season, I have given every room of my home that I've decorated for the holidays a name. As you walk into my home, you will be entering what I call Glamland, and Glamland is divided into 5 different areas. I will be starting with a tour of this room, beginning here in our entryway. So what do we have going on currently in our entryway? Beginning with the beautiful wall art, which is from At Home, and I purchased it during the summer. My entryway table is for rooms to go. At one point you were able to get your hands on this table from Wayfair, however it currently is not available. Alpine flock Christmas tree I purchased a couple of years ago from Walmart. I haven't seen those at Walmart this year. The actual candle holders on the entryway table is from Bath and Body Works. You probably can get your hands on those this year. The Alpine silver trees are from Home Goods. I've had them for a couple of years. Not sure if I've seen those at Home Goods this year. The black and silver deer are from At Home. The nativity scene that you see here is from Home Goods. I've had that for a couple of years as well. The candles are from Home Goods, and I actually put some Dollar Tree ribbon around them to glam them up. Now, my entryway nutcracker is from Home Goods. This is a new purchase for this year. It was a splurge for me, and I am so glad I took the splurge for this piece. You can see it has a snowflake on its hat, and it has a Christmas tree with a star in the right arm, and it lights up. Everything is not meant to light up, but I love everything that lights up, and this is a perfect addition to my light up Christmas season for this year. And I actually placed some ribbon on his shoulder. This ribbon is from Moji Style. Many of you may follow Moji Style here. That sums up the entryway, so let's move on around to the other side of our living room. Beginning with this beautiful mirror. If you've been following me, you know this mirror has been here like forever. And this is a heavy duty mirror. That's why I have not moved it. If you've been following me, you know I move wall art around. I move everything around. That mirror is the only thing in my home that I have not moved around since I put it there. I even have moved chandeliers around from room to room. But that mirror is so heavy, it's staying there. So that mirror is actually from Z Gallery. I haven't seen it in about a couple of years at Z Gallery, so you may not be able to get your hands on it. My couch is for rooms to go. The pillows are from a young lady over on Instagram on Cloud9. It was a collaboration over there. The black and silver pillows were. And the red pillows are actually pillow covers, and they're from Amazon. I'll place a link below to that. The throw is from Z Gallery. Okay, loves, the lamp that's over in the corner is from Pier 1. I've had it for about 5 or 6 years. Let's talk about this beautiful floral arrangement here. I actually shown you guys when I did this floral arrangement. The poinsettias are from Hobby Lobby. The bling that you see in there is actually from At Home. The red picks are also from At Home, so that means you can get your hands on those this year. I've seen those. Actually, I purchased those this year from At Home. My sconces on the wall, I've had them for several years. They're from Z Gallery. Don't think you can get your hands on those anymore. The wall art is either from Ross or Burlington. These super cute videos here are from At Home. These I have just sitting here. These are from CraftX. I've had them for a couple of years. I just have them sitting here. This ribbon is also from CraftX. And it's very, very pretty if you take a look at that. And I think I paid like 19 bucks for a spool. And I think it may have been 5 yards on a spool. And all these ornaments I've had for several years. None of these are new. These may have came from Home Goods. This probably is from Hobby Lobby. This is actually new. This came from Hobby Lobby this year. I've had this for a couple of years. It's from CraftX. And it's super cute. I'll have this forever and a day. I love this particular piece here. My fireplace is actually from Wayfair. You can get your hands on that still. I like it because it's narrow, and I actually purchased it for my home, for my master bedroom, and I ended up moving it. Actually, I take that back. My mantle, I moved from my master bedroom to this space just specifically for the holidays. And let's see here. These candle holders, I don't have candles on them, but I like it without the candles. These are from Home Goods. It came in a set of 3, and I don't have all 6 on here, but it came in a set of 3. And this star here actually came from At Home. This also came from At Home. And let's move on around to the star that you see on my wall. It also came from At Home. My lamp came from Home Goods. The end table came from Z Gallery. My chair came from Style Up Corp. But you can get your hands on that chair from Wayfair. I'll leave the link below to that. I'll also leave the link below to that pillow. You still can get your hands on that pillow. And the drapes, all my drapes are from Amazon. You can click the link below that says Shop My Home, or I'll actually place the specific links for everything below. That way you don't have to, log on and be searching for anything. So my tree, this is my main tree. It's from King of Christmas. It's the 8 foot flock king tree, and it comes with 700 lights. It comes with a remote. You can change the settings with the remote. It's also a foot pump that you can foot stop that you can change the settings on it as well. So I have the same ribbon in this tree. I'm going to move a little bit closer so you can see. It's the same ribbon. And if you go, I've already did a Christmas tree tour in a previous video, but I'm going to give you another tour just in case there's some new followers or new viewers here on this video. There's a bigger present in that tree. It's actually a bigger one. It's just like this, except for it's bigger. And these actually light up, but I didn't bother by putting batteries in these presents. So the bigger present is also from CraftX. The silver picks are from CraftX. The red picks is from At Home. And I'm going to move on. This is actually a pick as well. It's from Hobby Lobby. I purchased it a couple of years ago. Same present, Home Goods, Hobby Lobby. This is from Hobby Lobby. This is some more of Moji style ribbon that I cut and placed in the tree because I love it so much. This is from At Home. This is from Craft X. This is from At Home. And I don't have very much in this tree. It looks like I have a lot going on, but it's not. I only have ornaments, round ornaments, and I have those presents. I have these poinsettias. That's from At Home. And a lot of these little picks in here. That's from Hobby Lobby. Other than that, then I do see this little ornament here. And here's another one over here, which is from Macy's. And then at the bottom of the tree, I have more presents. And I have that deer. That deer is actually from Big Lots. It's that gold deer that everyone was on a hunt for the last couple of years. I spray painted this deer black. And I just put some ribbon and some bling around his neck. And that's pretty much all I have going on the tree. And I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, love, so this sums up the tour of Majestic Lane. I plan to give you a tour either on Festive Court, which is our kitchen, or Wonderland Trail, which is our family room next. So be sure you hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss any of my videos, because I have so much Christmas inspiration that I want to share with you for the 2022 holiday season. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.